So here's a an AirTemp at my other aunt's, one of my other aunt's houses. I'm in Bluemont right now, and this is a AirTemp air conditioner. Wait, no, it is a heat pump. Okay, sweet. These are heat pumps. That's cool. AirTemp heat pump, very weathered. Broad ocean fan motor. These are kind of cheap. Look how small that compressor is. There's a chip on it. Open scroll. I love how quiet things are out here. Very peaceful. Woodpecker's over there somewhere. 3-ton from, I want to say 2013. It just looks more recent, not 2007. Also, ew. Yeah, and this is Nordyne right here, so it's a little cheaper. It's not exactly a Nortec. And right down there, if you're looking closely, I'll zoom in right there. There's a tiny little Bryant Legacy line. And way up there, up the hill, way over there, barely visible, you can just barely see a Goodman heat pump over there. I'm pretty sure all these are heat pumps. So yeah, maybe I'll be able to get a start up with this thing. I don't know. It's a Saturday afternoon. But yeah. Her husband is grilling right now. So, or her boyfriend. Sorry. But yeah. Weathered 2013 3-ton AirTemp. Just sitting dormant. Maybe I can convince them to start it up. I don't know. But yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.